Good morning, students. As we have completed the explanation of chapter 3 nouns number. So now after this chapter explanation, we will move towards the exercise of the chapter. Okay. Now they hear the exercise number A. Tick the correct answer and write in the blank. Okay. Now you have to find out the correct answer from the options given here. The plural of louse is, what will be here? Louses, lices, or lice. As in the in the chapter we have read about that internal vowels sometimes change, and when we change singular into plural, इंटरनल जो भी वॉवेल्स होता है वो कभी कभी टोटली चेंज हो जाता है वॉवेल्स, और सिंगुलर से जब हम प्लूरल फॉर्म में जाते हैं तो ये क्या होता है? लाइस. ओके, दिस विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. वी हैव ऑल्सो स्टडीड हियर, वी हैव डन इट in the chapter when I have taught you. The plural of tooth is, what will be here? Teeth, teeths, teeth, tooths. What will be? Teeth. Okay. टूथ का जो है ये इंटरनल वॉवेल है वो तिथ हो गया, डबल ई हो गया, टूथ से तिथ. विच नाउन हैज द नेम सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल बोथ द सेम? शार्क, डॉल्फिन चेंजेस, शार्क ऑल्सो चेंजेस, शार्क्स, डॉल्फिन्स. Salmon doesn't change, it remains the same. As in the exercise we have read about it, in the chapter we have read about it, salmon. Okay, it will be the same. Now exercise will move towards the exercise number B. Change the following sentences into plural. Okay, plural form we have to change it into the sentences into plural form, and also make necessary changes if any. If there any changes when change the words nouns into singular into plural, we change the helping verb also according to that. This country has a great leader. In the first example we will see the mouse has a sharp tooth. The mice will change into mice into plural, and has into have. In the plural we use have. Singular has sharp teeth. Okay, tooth will change into teeth. सिंगुलर से प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज. दिस कंट्री हैज अ ग्रेट लीडर. दिस विल चेंज इनटू दीज कंट्री विल चेंज इनटू कंट्रीज. हैज, आई टोल्ड यू दैट व्हेन वी चेंज सिंगुलर इनटू प्लूरल, हेल्पिंग वर्ब आल्सो चेंज इनटू हैज इनटू हैव. हैज से हैव हो जाता है हेल्पिंग वर्ब, क्योंकि प्लूरल के साथ हैव का यूज होता है. हैव ग्रेट लीडर्स है ना, तो यहाँ पर लीडर को हमको चेंज करना है प्लूरल में, तो ए हट जाएगा, ए विल बी रिमूव्ड. ओके, ग्रेट लीडर्स. Okay, like this we will change. Child is playing in the park. Here what will be here? Child is playing in the park. Child will change into children. Children is will change into are. Are playing, singular of is are. यहाँ पर एक singular is का क्या होगा? Are playing in the park. In the parks. Park also can change into plural parks. Okay, like this it can be changed. Now there is a park, will also change here, parks. Okay, there is a monkey on this tree. There is a monkey on this tree. What will be here? There are monkeys. Monkey will change into plural. As it has been changed, that necessary changes can be done. On this का क्या हो जाएगा प्लूरल? These. On these trees. Okay, now like this we will change it. The baby is crying for its mother. The baby will change into babies. Are crying. Here is also changed into are crying for it is used in singular. Here the baby, that's why it's is used. Here it is plural, so it will be the babies are crying for their mothers. Okay. Yeah. Now the thieves had a sharp knives. The thieves The thieves thief का प्लूरल क्या होगा? thieves. had जो पास्ट टेंस में है तो वो सिंगुलर और प्लूरल में सेम यूज होते हैं. had a it will be sharp knives. No, sharp knives को नाइफ का क्या होगा प्लूरल? knives. So a will be removed. यहाँ पर भी a हम लोग हटा देंगे. sharp knives. Okay. Now exercise number C. Make plural of the following nouns. Okay. Here make plurals of the following nouns. Self. It is self. It will be selves. F will be removed. Selves. Okay. Like this. Radio. O. When it is O, it will be added S only. Radios. Branches. HES. CH is in the last here, so it will be ES will be added. Branches. Puppies. Y will be removed. Puppies. यहाँ Y हट जाएगा. IES is added. Berry. Berries. Y will be benches. Deer will be same here in the singular as in the plural. Both will be the same. Deer. Tomatoes. Yes. Tomatoes. Essay. Essays. S will be added as it is preceded by vowel. Y के पहले vowel है तो S लगेगा सिर्फ. ये हम लोग ने रूल्स पढ़ा था. Watch. Watches. Okay. Now yes is as it. Now the exercise number D. Change the following sentences into singular and also make necessary changes. Here it is given in the plural form. You have to change it into the singular form. C has many watches and pen. In the singular it will be watch. Watches. Watch. Nouns will be changed here. Pens. Pen. The princes live in palaces. The princes live in palaces. Here it will be the prince lives in palace. It will be in the singular. S is removed. Now question number 3. Please put these maps on the table. Here these and maps will be changed here. Please put this maps will be changed. These will be changed. This map on the table. Okay. Now the question number 4. The mares gave birth to many foals. Okay. It will be the mare gave. It will be the remain the same as it is in the past tense. Gave का gave ही रहेगा. Birth to foal. Not many foal but only foal. Okay. The woman wore traditional dresses. The woman will be changed into woman. Okay. The woman wore traditional dress. Dresses will change into dress. Okay. Now like here dresses, here it is given in plural, it will be singular. Okay. Now doves were friendly creatures. Doves The dwarfs, it is in the plural, it will be here dwarf. S will be removed to make it singular. Were will be changed into was. As were is used in plural form, here it is changed into singular, so were will change into was. Friendly creature. Okay, creatures will change into creature. Okay, like this it is changed. So here these exercise, all of you will first do it in your book yourself. Try to do first yourself. You have understood that how it is done. Then you will do it in your classwork A and B in a classwork copy. Okay. Then C and D you will do it in homework copy. Okay. Thank you all of you. Just do it first. Try it yourself in your book. See the video carefully. Thank you.